Oh, this is the new boiler, wood-fired boiler. It's a 55-gallon drum with a 47 kilo propane bottle welded into it. So the gap between the two becomes a water jacket, and that one's a firebox. Roll up a little door with some angle iron. Over here is a blower, about a 3/4 inch conduit, metal conduit, runs under the fire with a bunch of holes drilled in it. I think they're 3mm, or what's it, 1/8 inch. Little frame, some fiberglass insulation around it, the roof. This is a 5-inch stovepipe, 2 meters. A little circulating pump there, running 40 watts, and that goes down into PEX. Oh, it's distributed to all the radiators. The latest addition to this, just put in this 300-litre hot water cylinder. That's got a coil at the bottom there, which heats hot water. As you can see, none of the electric elements are connected, and we're just getting all of our hot water now from the fire. Bit of scrap wood, a few pallets every now and again, and we're keeping this what's it, a 36 by 12 foot, I think, mobile home. Keeping it all nice and tasty. Yeah, it's not designed as a 4-season one, but we're getting through winter here in England quite comfortably with it. With 2 radiators at the moment, one in the bedroom, one in the lounge, and yeah, maintaining about 20-21 degrees quite comfortably. Well, for now.